Join me as I dive into the world of Lcid stock and predict what's next for its future. Can I figure it out before it's too late? Let's talk about Lucid Motors, an electric vehicle manufacturer that's been making waves in the market. As a relatively new player, Lcid has quickly gained attention for its sleek designs, impressive range, and innovative technology. But with the electric vehicle market heating up, it's essential to assess where Lcid stands and what's in store for its stock. Lucid Motors is facing some significant challenges, and it's hard to ignore the production issues that have plagued the company. With delays and bottlenecks affecting deliveries, investors are getting anxious about the impact on revenue and profitability. Furthermore, the electric vehicle market is getting increasingly crowded, with established players like Tesla and newcomers like Rivian vying for market share. How will Lcid differentiate itself and stay ahead of the competition? Adding to the uncertainty is the current market volatility, which can be detrimental to any stock, especially those in the electric vehicle sector. With interest rates rising and recession fears looming, investors are becoming more risk-averse, and Lcid stock is not immune to these broader market trends. As we've seen in the past, even a slight downturn can send Lcid stock tumbling. And let's not forget about the supply chain constraints that are affecting the entire industry. From semiconductor shortages to battery constraints, these issues can significantly impact Lcid's ability to produce and deliver its vehicles on time, which in turn affects its bottom line. In recent news, Lucid Motors has reported its quarterly earnings, and while the numbers looked promising, they also highlighted some concerns about production costs and margins. Analysts have been weighing in, and opinions are mixed. Some are optimistic about Lcid's long-term potential, while others are worried about the near-term outlook. Meanwhile, investor sentiment seems to be shifting, with some enthusiasts still bullish on the stock, while others are taking a more cautious approach. When you dive deeper into the financial reports, you start to notice some trends that could impact Lcid's stock performance. For instance, the company's cash burn rate is still relatively high, which could be a concern if the market continues to soften. On the other hand, Lcid's order book is looking strong, with a significant backlog of reservations that could translate into revenue down the line. As I dig through the market trends, I'm also seeing some hints about the broader electric vehicle market, which could have implications for Lcid's stock. For example, there's been a shift towards more affordable EV options, which could put pressure on premium players like Lcid. On the other hand, the growing demand for electric vehicles in general could provide a tailwind for the company. Looking ahead, there are some critical developments that could shape Lcid's future. The company is gearing up to launch its highly anticipated Gravity SUV, which promises to be a game-changer in terms of range and performance. Additionally, Lucid Motors is investing heavily in its technology, including advanced battery systems and autonomous driving capabilities. These innovations could give the company a competitive edge in the long run. Another area to watch is partnerships and collaborations. Lcid has been quietly building relationships with other companies, which could lead to new revenue streams or even joint ventures. For instance, its partnership with Saudi Arabia's PIF could provide a significant boost to its production capacity and global reach. As we wrap up this analysis, the key takeaway is that Lcid's stock outlook is definitely uncertain, but there are underlying trends and developments that could have a significant impact on its future performance. While production issues and market volatility are concerns, the company's innovative tech, strong order book, and upcoming product launches could be catalysts for growth. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear your thoughts on Lcid stock in the comments below. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe for more financial insights and analysis, and don't forget to hit that notification bell to stay up to date on all my latest videos.